What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Hope you guys had a great weekend. I was just at Motorama all weekend. You can see the two videos in the link below. I got my Hey Buddy shirt on. I got my other Street Speed 717 shirt. You can get those at InShaneDesigns.com. What do we got going on today? We are going to glass seal my windshield. It's gonna be raining the next couple days. It's getting nicer in spring, so might as well get that done. So first step, all we gotta do is, all we gotta do now is just spray down this, get off the dust, and then we have to clay bar it. So right now we are just cleaning the window of excess residue and everything. Get the dust and everything off before we clay it. Alright, now that the car is all clean, you want to take your glass cleaner and your clay mitt. Just spray some on there, light spray there. Nice and easy pressure, and you will feel it get smoother as you go. To use the glass cleaner as a lubricant almost. Now we're going to take the glass cleaner, put a little bit on your application pad, put a little bit on there, and then just want to work it all the way in, as you'll see. And we're going to do cross hatch. Close it when we're done. We're just going to go very evenly, 2 times, back and forth. All right, let's see if you can see the difference. It's kind of a little bit of a film on it almost. You can probably see it really good, and possibly right over there. Okay, so now that that's wet, we're gonna do the other side. And after we do the other side, we will then clean it off with the Make sure we hit every square inch of this guy. Okay, we got the whole windshield done now. All I have to do is just clean it off with the Adams Polishes glass cleaner again, and then we will be good. So this stuff is supposed to withstand the water when on the highways up to 55 miles an hour. It's supposed just to beat off. So when it rains the next couple of days, we'll try to capture that so you guys can actually see it work in action and everything. But what I've heard, it's a really great product, really easy application. As you can see, took me probably like 5 minutes. Now we're just gonna clean it off again and we'll be good. Get my fresh towel. Now that the cleaner is on, now that the sealant is on, it's gonna be a lot easier to clean, a lot more. Almost slicks off everything. Alright guys, I got a bottle of water here, so let's check this out and see how it works on the front here versus the back. Alright guys, so here is the Adams Polish's sealant water test. As you see, it just falls right off. Nothing is really sticking. That is really cool, guys. And let's go to the back, see what it's like on a non-treated one. As you can see, it like runs down and like stays on there and everything and beads up. And then up here it bleeds up a little bit, but it runs off a lot more. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Try to get some more videos of that tomorrow to see how the water is and beads off more so you guys can see it. Couldn't really do it well with water bottles, but check out the videos from Motorama. I met Street Speed 717, Guitar McGinn, ZL1, Troy Sowers, Dirty Max Jack. They're really cool guys. Great time talking to them. Thank you for taking out the time and be able to speak with me. Each of you had different conversations, and it was really cool to meet you guys. Hope to see you later on. But just did the sealant, working on a couple interaction videos from the Motorama, so those will be posted in a couple days. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, and see you on the next one.